Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply the trending embarrassed face effect to your videos in the CapCut Mobile. So first, you need to add the video that you want to edit and make sure that the face is clearly visible on the video like this, for example. And after that, just click on the effects and go to the body effects and find the funny faces category, this one, and you'll see the embarrass a face effect. Click on that and you can see now it will be added to your clip. So just click on a check icon and adjust on how long you want the effect to last on your video. If you want to make it or apply on the whole video, you can just adjust it like this. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.